The library catalog makes it simple to organize your saved item records with projects. But as time goes by, you might find yourself needing to make changes to your projects, remove item records, or even delete them entirely if you no longer need them. Let's take a look at how to do all of this quickly and easily. Start by visiting the library's website, library.okstate.edu. Then click the account link in the top right corner to see all the item records you've saved from the catalog. If you are already signed in, you'll see your account. If you've not yet signed in, click the Sign In button and enter your OKey credentials. The screen refreshes, and you now see your account. Click the Projects option in the dashboard menu to see a list of all the projects you've created to organize your saved item records. Here you can see that I have 4 projects, and I need to make a couple of edits on them. The first thing I want to change is the due date on the MSIS 4033 group presentation. I can click the 3-dot menu icon and then navigate to the due date field. All I have to do to change it is just select a new date from the calendar. When I'm done, I can click Save and the new due date shows up. For the EdTech final paper, I'd like to revise the name and add a description. I can click the same 3-dot menu icon and enter my revised text in the name and description fields. When I'm done, I can click Save and the new name shows up, but the description is not visible. If I click into the project, though, I will see the description below the name. For the third change to my projects, I'd like to remove one of them entirely. I no longer need this project, which was from earlier in the semester. All I have to do to delete it is click the 3-dot menu icon and select Delete. A dialog box appears asking me to confirm that I want to delete it. I'm sure, so I can go ahead and click Delete. When you delete a project, any item records you had saved in the project will continue to be in your saved items for your account. They will also continue to be available if you had saved them in other projects. Finally, I want to remove an item record that I accidentally put in the wrong project. If I go to the Wellness article research, I can see that one of these doesn't belong. I want to keep the item record saved, but just remove it from this particular project. To do that, I can click the 3-dot menu and then choose Delete. It is now removed from the project. But if I click on Saved, I will still see it listed along with all the rest of my saved item records. Deleting the record did not remove it from my account, just that one particular project. To double check, I can click on Projects and then go back to the project it was in, and now I see that it is no longer present. These simple steps can go a long way towards helping you manage your projects and use the library catalog more effectively for your research. If you need help, you can use the library chat, visit answers.library.okstate.edu, or email libraryhelp@okstate.edu.